Dude! 100 subscribers! Well, 102, but because I'm late. That's crazy! Bro, thank you! So, I'm a bit late because I was like, I don't really check my YouTube that often, unless I've just posted and I'm like looking for comments or something. So, I was kind of just chilling and I'm like, oh, maybe I've got a comment or something, so I better check. And I go and I look, and it's 102 subbies. So I'm like, oh no, I better fire up the Suzuki and then like go do some donuts or something, because like gotta be grateful for the subscribers. So you know, let's get to it. Problem. Why did I do this? Oh no. Perfect way to park, bro. I can ride in the blood, alright. Come on, Suzuki. We can do it. Parking! Yes to the sir! It is so sketchy doing that, because look, you come all the way around here, look at this dirt, look at all this, you go all the way around, boom, ba 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 ba, and then you've got like this jump, so you're coming round, you're flying round, you're going like, and then you gotta land like sideways. probably feels way crazy. Like, I'm probably going to review the footage and it's going to be like, wow, that's lame. That's lame. But, like, feels pretty sketch. Anyway, thank you all so much for the subscribers. Like, commented and liking. Means a lot. So, thank you. And I'll see you in the next one.